Hello guys, welcome. Today I am discussing the topic function, and in which we have to study about domain and range. Domain and range of the function. So at first we have to talk about the modulus function. Suppose fx is any function, let fx equal to mod x. So we have to explain mod x. So if you write mod x equal to, if you expand this is equal to x. If x is greater than 0, this will be equal to 0. If x equal to 0, and this is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. Now if you draw the curve, this will be x-axis and it is y-axis. So this is the point of intersection, which is equal to x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. And these curves, this is x greater than 0, and here this is x less than 0. It is y greater than 0, and this is y less than 0. Now according to the problem, fx equal to mod x, and it is equal to plus x if x is positive. X greater than 0, it means that x is positive. So we have to write fx equal to x, or we can say y equal to x. So you have to put the graph like this. This is called the fx equal to x. This is according to the case first. Now coming case second. This is equal to fx equal to 0 if x equal to 0. So this is the situation where x equal to 0 and y equal to also 0, or you can say fx equal to 0. Now in third case, if x is negative, then fx equal to minus x, or we can say fx equal to minus into minus, this is equal to plus. So this is equal to fx equal to minus x. So completely from this figure it is clear that we can say that according to this figure, x is either greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. It means that domain of this function, so you can write the values of x. So values of x is less than 0, greater than 0 or equal to 0, hence x belongs to R. This is the domain. And if we taking about the range, the range is equal to the values of fx, or you can say the values of y. So the values of y is either it is equal to 0 or it must be greater than 0 according to this curve. So this is equal to y is greater than equal to 0. So range belongs to 0 to infinity. So this is one of the most fundamental basic question from where it is clear that the domain and range of any functions, that is the modulus functions, can also be easily find out by the graphical methods. Now we are talking about the new questions, and the question is next one. This is equal to, suppose that fx equal to mod x plus 2. This is equal to mod x plus 2. And what will be the domain and range? Now we talking about this question. First we draw the initial curve y equal to fx. This is equal to like this. This is equal to y equal to mod x, or you can say y equal to fx. Now we have to draw y equal to fx equal to mod x plus 2. It means that we have to increase the value of fx by 2 units plus. So it will be going like this because y is increasing in this direction. So we have to write like this. Suppose that this will be the value. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 2. This is the 2 units. So your graph will be like this. So in this situation, it is also clear that here x is greater than 0 and it is x is less than 0. So we can write the domain is x belongs to R, and the range, this is equal to minimum value having 2. So this is equal to from 2 to infinity. So many of these problems we can solve by these methods. Other examples which we can solve. Fx equal to, suppose that 2 minus mod x, or you can say fx equal to 1 plus mod x. So without help of graph, we can also saying that fx is valid for all real values of x. So domain will be equal to x belongs to R. So we can write domain equal to x belongs to R, or range equal to minimum value of mod x is 0 and maximum value is going to infinity. So minimum value, this is 2 minus 0 equal to 2, and this is going to minus infinity. This is from minus infinity to 2. And finally, for this question we have to write answer domain. This domain is equal to x belongs to R, and we can write the range. So this range is equal to 1 plus mod x, and mod x having the minimum value 0, so you can write this is equal to from 1 to infinity. So you can solve any question of this type with the help of graph or without the help of graph by these methods. Thank you.